people? Alex here. We'll do a nice bike check.
Alright, so, why don't you tell me what kind of bars you got going on right now?
I don't fucking know. I have no idea what type of bars these are. That's the truth. I just bought them off somebody.
Alright. So, what size are they?
9.5 by 27.
And based on how long you've had them, how good are they?
Amazing. Great size. Recommend this size to anyone. 9.5, 27. Gucci.
Alright,
Street status.
what kind of stem are we working with?
I got a Stolen stem. I've had it for like 7-8 months. Probably a full year by now.
Alright, and obviously we got the ODI grips.
ODIs.
Do you recommend them to anyone?
No. Just kidding. Get ODIs. They're decent.
Talk about the new grips that you have coming in. Well, that you already have.
Thinking about throwing the Primo on, but I don't want to throw the Primo on because I like my colors. Color.
Alright, so what do you want to move on to next?
We got a Fit seat off of Brandon Began Signature Frame. Got the Eddie Fit by Co. I don't remember his last name, but it's Eddie, you know. It's a 20-inch frame, top tube. Probably about 12.75 back. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Alright, we'll just talk about what kind of frame do you have?
Eddie Fit. It's an Eddie Fit. I don't know the dude's last name, but it's a Fit by Co.
That's it?
Pretty much. Eddie Fit by Co. We got the Chrome Fit cranks, Odyssey pedals.
Do you maybe know the size of those, or?
No. They are 170. 170 Chrome cranks. 27 tooth animal sprocket. Beat up ass pegs. A Revenge Industry back rim. Left side drive. Nice brand new day old Primo tires. Shout out to Tid Plus and Stranger.
Very nice.
Hooking up the jam. Got the Primo lights, you know. Show the lights.
At the front. Alright. So what kind of front
rim?
rim?
What kind of forks these are, truthfully. I think they're either Sunday or Fit. I never got specified on what they were.
Alright, what kind of rim are you working with? Front rim are you working with?
Stolen front rim on I think that's a Stolen or United Hawk Guard. And yeah, with a nice signature Cane Creek. Yeah, Cane Creek bearing top with the silver. The silver I got from the.
Sit right there. I can't really see it, but it says right there. It says Cane Creek.
Have a nice pivotal seat. We already talked about it. Had a tramp stamp, but we lost it. What else we got? Got some Primo bottom bracket. Because why not?
Alright, let's
I
start.
run my chain really tight. I like doing crank clips, but tight chains also good. And look, see, I can still do a crank clip if I wanted to. Ignore the sound. It just sounds good though. Ignore the bent rim. I have issues. What else? There you go. That's my bike. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Because why not? Be nice. Give me some subs.
Shout out to Ramp Rex.
Shout out to Ramp Riders.
Shout out to Twisted BMX.
Shout out to Twisted BMX. What else are we working with here? We got the custom purple seat too.
Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the jam that was in St. Louis. That was,
We're gonna talk about the jam and my bike check.
Why not?
Was lit. I sent the banger. this guy. I'll insert the clip at the end.
When we talk about, well, yeah, this is just one thing that you won out of there. Let's talk about the other stuff that you won.
3 sets of grips, this hat, shout out Stranger, Tip Plus, Primo grips, Primo tires, Eastern grip, Kink wax, a Kink shirt, a bunch of stickers, Colony stickers, S&M. Got 6 sticker on my helmet, says I heart crack wars. It's beautiful. BMX is not a crime, guys. It's not a crime. The life behind bars. Unity. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is my bicycle. I love my bicycle. I will never get rid of my bicycle until I have to get rid of the frame because it doesn't belong to me. But even though if we get rid of it, I have a Sunday waiting for me. So you like the video? St. Louis clip coming up next. Yeah. Peace.
You get sponsored, you get all the bars he needs.
All right, Alex, it's in. Here it comes.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on.
Yeah!
Yeah!
This kid is only 16, guys. Shred. Great deal.
Yeah, man.